Hey, this is Audrey with Cooking Couture Atlanta. For the first time in my life, I wanted to use one seasoning. I wanted to make the most simple meal ever, tequila lime chicken wings. When I tell you they came out fire. So I took them straight out of the freezer, ready to cook, season them with the tequila lime, and then I'm gonna put them in my air fryer. The love I have for my air fryer is unconditional. The crispiness on these wings. Okay, so this cilantro lime rice came out amazing. And then I did a tequila lime wing in the air fryer. Amazing. When making this cilantro lime rice, I added a generous amount of fresh lime juice to the water when it was boiling. That's the only thing I did different, and it was amazing.